Hello everyone, a very good morning to all my dear students and dear parents. I am here again for another class. So I know you must have learned how to write U, I, W, Y and M. So you have to practice every day, and as I told you in my previous video that you have to maintain one 4-line copy and you have to write down each letter according to the date of the class. Is it clear? So students, now today I am going to teach you the new letter, that is N. N. What is the sound of N? The sound of N is Na. Na. What is the sound of N? The sound of N is Na. So, see on the blackboard, I have drawn some of the pictures of starting with N. See. N for net. Net you all know. Net is used to catch the fishes. फिशेस को कैच करने के लिए हम लोग नेट का यूज करते हैं. एन फॉर नेल. नेल मीन्स हिंदी में नेल को क्या बोलते हैं? कील, जो हम दीवार पे लगाते हैं टू हैंग समथिंग. एन फॉर नेस्ट. नेस्ट. नेस्ट मीन्स द हाउस ऑफ द बर्ड वेयर द बर्ड्स लेज द एग्स. सो देयर आर 3 पिक्चर्स फ्रॉम एन. You can learn to draw N for net, N for nail and N for nest. It is not compulsory to draw all the pictures. Whichever picture you find it easy to draw and attractive to draw, you can learn to draw that picture. So now let me start the formation of N. Again the same pattern. The 4 lines, you know, you have in your copy 4 lines, and the pencil which you are going to use should be very sharp. The sharp pencil should be there. So the sharp pencil keep on the dot, writing dot, starting from the dot, slant up, down. Then from the same line go up, turn down and tick. This is the formation of N. In M you were taking 2 turns, but in N you will take only 1 turn. Is it clear to you all? In M we were taking, starting from the corner, slant up, down. With the same line go up, turn down. With the same line go up, turn down and tick. This was the formation of M. But in the formation of N, you will take only 1 turn. That is starting from the corner, slant up, down. From the same line, go up, turn, down and tick. So, let us do it once again. Starting from the corner, slant up, down. With the same line go up, turn, down and tick. This is the formation of N. Again, starting from the corner, slant up, down. With the same line go up, turn, down and tick. This is the formation of N. Some of the students write like this way. This is wrong. You will not lift your hand in between. It should be in one stroke. Don't lift your hand in between. Some of you are going to write like this way. No, this is wrong. You are not going to make 2 lines. You have to start, and when you are coming down, you have to go up with the same line and then turn and tick. It should not be like this. This is a wrong formation. This N is a right formation. So, have you learned the formation of N? Starting from the corner, slant up, down. With the same line, go up, turn, down, and a small tick. This is the formation of N. And what pictures can we draw with N? We can draw net, we can draw nail, and we can draw nest. Whichever picture you find it easy and attractive, you can learn to draw. So this you have to write down in your notebook. You have to write down date 11.5.20 and then you will write down letter N. After writing letter N on the back side, you can draw these pictures. Is it clear? So, likewise you have to do the work as I am instructing you. You have to maintain the copy, you have to learn how to write, and you have to learn how to draw the related pictures. Now I'll attach a file in which you will learn how to write N in notebook. Okay? So learn it, do it, and do watch video every day. This is not your holiday. We are giving you class so that you can learn what you are missing in your school days. Is it clear? So keep on learning, keep on practicing, and keep on watching your ma'am, whatever each and every ma'am is teaching. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.